Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing swell and happy Valentine's Day week. Today's video is a really fun one. I'm actually going to show you how to make EDM Valentines and PLUR packages for ravers, just like this. So yeah, Valentine's Day is this weekend and I'm actually making Valentines and PLUR packages for my friends. Basically like a care package goodie bag for ravers. So I'm gonna show you what I'm putting in mine, how to make one in case you wanna make some for your raver friends. And towards the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how to make really simple, easy to make EDM and rave Valentines for free on this app on your phone. Like these ones, so you could actually print them out or send them just via message or social media. So I basically got everything for my Valentine's PLUR packages at the dollar store. I'm on a super tight budget, but you know what? It works. Like the dollar store always has tons of super awesome stuff, and I only spent like $20 there. And my friend Lindsay, she lives in a different state, so her PLUR package is basically just coming in a box because I have to mail it to her. But yeah, my friends here get these cute little bags. And my theme for the PLUR packages are going to be unicorns. So I got like everything unicorn that I can find in the dollar store, so I can put in like this little package. So unicorn chocolates. These stickers have like unicorns in them. I found a unicorn glow stick or a glow wand. More stickers. These are so cute. More unicorn stickers. Like picking unicorns was a really good theme for PLUR packages because like they had so many different things with unicorns. Like I got really lucky. This is like a fluffy narwhal, and which is like a whale with a unicorn horn, if you guys don't know what a narwhal is. I know it's kind of like off, you know, theme a little bit, but it's just, they're cute. And then this sparkly thing, just because it's sparkly, like I feel like it goes with unicorns. Like unicorn stuff is usually like really shiny and sparkly. You always have to have candy for Valentine's. It's just like a thing, right? So I got the little message hearts, right? Except for these ones are made out of Smarties and not like the really gross kind. Like the original is, I don't like them, they're gross. Sixlets, I don't know if you guys know what these are, but like I haven't had these in forever. So when I saw these, I was like, oh my God, yes. These are super cute. They're like bubbles, but with like a little heart on the stick. And then these are the Valentines cards I made for the PLUR packages. So both Lindsay and Nate, their favorite DJ is Seven Lions, and so I made them Seven Lions themed Valentines. So if you guys know Seven Lions, you'll know this song. Without you I can't be, you're the universe to me. And Feels Like We're Falling for the First Time, which I know is like a collab. It's like Seven Lions, Slander, and Davin, but Seven Lions is their favorite DJ. So Seven Lions is on the card. Also, when you're giving a raver a PLUR package, you obviously have to include candy. So I made unicorn themed candy. I love unicorns. And then this one is so cute. Yeah, and then some other miscellaneous stuff for like my different friends. These are string lights that are pizza. They're little pizzas. Like how crazy is that? Honestly, it's like the cutest thing ever. So I think I'm gonna give it to Lindsay because you know that Green Velvet song, like all I want is pizza. That one, that's her favorite song. Like seriously, the dollar store just has like hidden gems sometimes. It is crazy. So I found these little sticker books for Lisa Frank. Oh my God, it comes with 600 stickers. I kind of bought these for myself, not so much for the PLUR packages, but I am gonna give one to Lindsay because I know she's gonna like love it. Lindsay is also getting mermaid, like these pink mermaid pasties, and Lunatics glitter. This glitter was like super duper cheap. It was only a few dollars on iHeartRaves.com, and same for the pasties. They're super cheap on there. Glitter is just like a great gift for ravers. It's like our thing. And then look at this. He's so cute. He spoke to me and said his pronoun was he. So he's so cute. Gifts like kaleidoscope glasses, like little things for ravers. Like they really don't cost that much money. Perfect like Valentine's Day thing are the hearts. So I got these ones and these ones, and their glasses are really, really cheap. They could be like anywhere from $7 to $15 max. So if you want to spend like a little bit more money on PLUR packages, you can totally throw in stuff like that. So I got these glasses from GlowFX. I will post the direct link to these glasses in the description in case you really like them. And then also we'll post the link to like these little things of glitter and the pasties on iHeartRaves. Okay, now I get to put all of these together in their packages.
I just wanna make you see, I feel like I'm in heaven when
Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to make these Valentine's cards, and you can either print them out like I did, or you can send it to them just like on social media or via message, whatever. So for these Valentines, what I did is I just went to Google and searched for like red, pink heart backgrounds. Just make sure you grab one that just doesn't have that weird watermark stuff pattern on it, right? And then just Google a picture of the favorite DJ that you want to make the Valentines about. Once you have your picture saved to your phone, you're going to go to the app PhotoGrid. You can download it on your iPhone or on Android. I use it a lot for a lot of different graphics that I make, but it's really easy to use. If you choose Create Grid, it comes with these little templates. So like I used one to put 7 lions in a heart, like that was one of the little layout options, and the different options will show at the bottom. So it's pretty easy that it lays it out for you like that. And then go back to Google and search for the lyrics of one of that DJ's songs. So for 7 lions, for this one, I'm gonna search for First Time. Once you get to the lyrics, you're just gonna copy one of the lines, go back to PhotoGrid, and there's this little text option, right? We'll just paste those lyrics in the text option. It's really easy. It has these different options where you can like change the color of the text, change like the font style, play around with it until you're happy. And honestly, yeah, that's pretty much it. It's all about having fun and trying like different things. So I did this other one, and this one I made through the edit option, not the grid option. And I wanted him to be a square, so I just like cropped him in my regular Photos app. So made him into a square. There's this option in the bottom menu to add an image, and that's how I just placed the picture of 7 lions. Went and searched for different lyrics for this one, so I decided to use a classic song, so Strangers. Again, just copy and paste those lyrics into the app, play with it until you're happy, click next, and it'll automatically save to your camera roll. Yeah, see? Super easy and fun. And then I actually got zombie Valentines cards, just like the ones that come in a box, because I'm actually going to this rave. I mean, I guess it's not on Valentine's Day, it's like the day after. I work on Valentine's, I know, super lame. So it's gonna be like a real rave kinda, not like a big event or a music festival. It's like they don't announce the venue until like the day of, and they don't announce the special guest, which is like the headlining act. It's kind of secret, it's just for fun. I've been to a couple hosted by these people, and it's always a really chill, relaxed setting. And so yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to hand out Valentines, and so that's what these are for. And that is it. Those are the PLUR packages and Valentines I am giving out this Valentine's Day weekend. Let me know in the comment section what you're doing for Valentine's. Do you have a date? Are you hanging out with friends? Are you raving? I honestly cannot wait to rave this weekend. Like, it's gonna be lit, fam. If you haven't already, please check out the other videos on my channel. I go to a bunch of music festivals all over the world to make awesome exclusive videos about them for you, and I love sharing my experiences with you guys. And please subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos coming in the future. I really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, peace out, Girl Scouts.